family. How's everybody doing? Have a good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever it is you're watching the video. What I'm gonna do today is show you guys, like, I guess kind of like progression burpees. I guess, yeah, starting from beginner to more advanced. Even though I don't do all of burpee variations, I'm gonna show you like 3 of them, pretty much. And that'll help, especially if you're a little or a lot overweight, whichever one it is. If you want to start doing burpees, I would advise you to kind of like do jumping jacks or something like that first to get a little weight off instead of trying to go into full burpees. Or you could do one of these sets, whichever one you feel like you could do. But I'm gonna do 5 reps each, and yeah, that's it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Also, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel. Hit the like or dislike, comment on this video, or share it with someone you think may resonate with. I greatly appreciate it. Any help counts. But yeah, like I said, let's get into it. So, I need to turn the camera on. Sorry. The first one I'm gonna do is kind of like, I'm gonna say it's the very beginner. If you don't know how or can't do a regular burpee, this will help you get into it, where you won't tire yourself out as much, but just go into the motion. Alright. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Like I said, it's very, very beginner. And I would just say do that just so you can get acclimated with getting your body in that motion. It's kind of like oiling yourself up, but the better you get at it, the more you'll be able to do, regular burpees. And this is a full body workout as well. So yeah, no equipment needed except for you. You are the equipment and the ground. Second one is just I would call this a regular burpee. And then the one after that will be explosive. But here comes the regular. Very, very easy. Do as many reps as you can withstand. Remember, this is cardio. It's I don't want to say it's a form of strength building, but it's more so cardio than anything. It's a full body workout, like I said. You can do as many reps and sets as you want to. Just make sure you do enough. And the only way you know how you're doing enough is if your body tells you. But don't quit if you're just getting started and you're not doing but only like 5 or 10. Depending on your size, I'll say that. Just do it every day, every other day. Then take it up a notch when you feel like you can do more. Same thing with everything, being progressive with it. What was I about to say? Crap. I forgot. I had a brain fart, y'all. Anyway, it comes to the third variation, which is an explosive burpee. These are, I only do those 2, but I normally just do the explosive. But yeah, again, this is just a beginner video to help some people, whoever feels it, whatever. But last thing, last set. Those are the burpees that I normally do. I normally do 50 to 100, depending on how I feel. Because my body doesn't always want me to push myself, you know. I work out at least 5 times, sometimes 6 times a week, or days a week. And I work out multiple times throughout the day, so I probably get like, realistically, maybe two good workout sessions in, 3 if I'm feeling, you know, like that. It's normally at least an hour to an hour and a half. Longest I've been is like 2.5 hours working out or training, whatever you want to call it. But before anything, make sure that you stretch as much as possible every day if you can. Not if you can. When you think of it, you bring it a habit, and you'll start doing it. Some days I don't stretch in the beginning, like if I do a set of 50 push-ups, I might not stretch. But I do stretch. If I didn't stretch in the morning, I'll stretch sometime during the day. Whenever I'm not driving, anything like that. I'll stretch right before, like pre-trip 15 minutes. We can do the pre-trip in less than 15 minutes, honestly. And with that spare time, if you already have everything else together, you can stretch then. That way you won't have to worry about stretching later. Or you can also stretch later too. It's really up to you. But again, that was a variation of beginner to, I guess, a slightly more advanced burpee. I hope this will help you guys, give you guys ideas of what to do out here on the road whenever you're trying to figure out how to exercise. Health is wealth, and regardless, you can't spend the money that you make if you're not in health. So that's all I got for y'all. Once again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. You can even dislike it if you don't like it. But I'm just here to spread this message of health to all the truckers around the world. And I would love it if you would help me complete my mission. Many people as I reach, they can reach another set, so forth and so on. But that's all I got for y'all, man. Until next time, stay healthy, be happy, keep loving your heart. Peace.